Alright, today in Power BI I'm going to show you how to solve a common problem relating to month-over-month charts. The issue is that when looking at time series data, often Power BI will automatically display the months in ascending chronological order from January to December. Now this makes sense for a lot of situations. However, if you want to see the trends in a 12-month rolling period, what we really want to see is the current month over here on the far right, all the months preceding it coming before. So for example, right now when I'm filming this video, the month is May. So I would like to have May over here on the far right with all the months before it so I can see the rolling trend. To do this, I'm going to use a DAX calculation, and I'm going to show you a really simple formula to get the effect that we want. So we're going to come up here in the Modeling tab and create a new measure. The formula we're going to use is an if statement. We're going to say if the average of the, and then we put in the value that we're measuring, the date value. So if that month number plus 12 minus the month of today is greater than 12, missed a parenthesis there. So if that is greater than 12, then we're going to put that again minus 12. Otherwise, just that. And close our parentheses there. And save that new measure. And now all we have to do to sort this is, there's two ways to do it. We could add the measure to the values right here. And we could come up here to these three ellipses and do sort by measure 2 that we just created. And we want to sort ascending. And look at that. We can see May is over here on the right with everything coming before it. And we see our trend. However, the drawback to doing it this way is that we see this line with our month numbers in it, and we don't want that. So what we're going to do is, instead of putting it in the values column, we're going to move our new measure to the tooltips section. And now it's hidden in the tooltips, so if you hover on it, you can see the month number, but it doesn't show up and it doesn't mess up our axis. And now it's sorted with a 12-month rolling trend. Hopefully that's helpful. I hope you enjoy this video.